So guys, we are gonna make slime out of this clay. Let's put a little bit of water. That's not a little bit, that's a lot. I hope it works. Because this is air dry clay. Let's make my clay into slime. Guys. Let's put more, but first, did you saw that? Tell me in the comments if you saw that. Or if there's no comment, then don't. See? Very impressive, right? If the comment is with no color or with only just not white. After 25 million years. Guys, my slime became a little bit sticky. It can't not go outside in my. It cannot get out. What? Ew. See you at part 2 making this slime because I don't have any time left.